Hello everyone, myself Vantari from Jorat Medical College. Now we are going to continue with Chapter 9 NCERT Biology Class 11, page number 111, Biomolecules. Now, starting with structure of protein. Proteins, as earlier mentioned, they are heteropolymers containing strings of amino acids. The monomers of this polymers is the amino acid, you have to remember, and earlier you got 20 types of amino acid in NCERT. It's been clearly mentioned, you should not get confused in between. Now, the sequence of amino acid, positional information in a protein, which first amino acid, second amino acid, and so on, that is a line, then can be like imagine as a line. This is called primary structure of the protein. Now, very important to remember in this, that left end is the first amino acid, and while the right end is the last amino acid. You have to remember left end is the first, right end is the last. You can remember like we start writing from left to right, so left end is the first, right end is the last. The first amino acid is called as N terminal. You have to remember this as well, and the last amino acid is called C terminal. Now you have to recall like the first amino acid which is in the left side is the N terminal, and the last amino acid which is in the right side is the C terminal amino acid. You have to remember like this for your MCQ point of view. Now this protein primary structure forms helical structure, and in protein this question have been asked previously many times, that in proteins only right-handed helices are observed. It has been mentioned in your NCERT clearly. You should not get confused in your when the MCQs are asked. Now these are called the secondary structures. Now this hollow woolen ball type of structure is a tertiary structure, and tertiary structure is a three-dimensional structure. You have to remember this because it has been asked which of the structure in protein is a three-dimensional. It is the tertiary structure and not the quaternary structure. You have to mark the tertiary structure. Now spares arranged in one upon the other, this woolly balls like structure, the spares arranged one upon each other and from a cube or plate, and the architecture of a protein otherwise called as quaternary structure. This three-dimensional view, the first three-dimensional view comes in the tertiary structure, and this tertiary structure forms this quaternary structure. Though it is not mentioned here, but quaternary structure is not is again not a two-dimensional structure. Two-dimensional structure is the secondary structure. You have to remember like that. Now your earlier primary structure is not also a three-dimensional view. You should get it clear for your MCQ point of view. Now this quaternary structure, one example is given. Adult human hemoglobin is 4 subunits. Now for this subunits consist to alpha type and to beta type. So you have to remember this example as well for your MCQ perspective. Thank you.